For this video, i-reveal ko yung pinaka-reason kung bakit ako tumagal dito. So, samahan nyo ako guys. Let's go! Hello guys! Nung isang araw, may nagtanong sa akin kung kasama ko daw ba family ko dito sa New Zealand. And to answer that question, wala akong kasamang family dito sa New Zealand. As much as I want to be with them, but unfortunately, hindi pa for now. So hopefully soon, makasama ko sila dito. In all fairness naman guys, sobrang na-happy ako kasi for almost 3 years ko na dito sa New Zealand, nagkaroon na ako ng maraming friends, which is for me, karinato ko na sila as family. Like sobrang happy lang and overwhelmed lang kasi sobrang dami nila. Kilala niyo kung sino kayo, so thank you so much sa inyo guys. In relation doon sa question kanina, so ayun, since mag-isa ko lang dito, I decided na mag-flatting na lang. So dito ako sa South Auckland, nakahanap ng bahay. And ayun, nakaka-happy lang kasi sa bahay na to, sakto kaka 1 year ko lang. And for this video, i-reveal ko yung pinaka-reason kung bakit ako tumagal dito. So samahan nyo ako guys, let's go! So ayan guys, samahan nyo akong hanapin yung reason kung bakit ako nagstay dito sa bahay na to. So ayan guys, magti 3 years na ako dito sa New Zealand. Nakaka-happy lang kasi in all fairness, sa 3 years na yon, hindi ko namamalayan. So let's see kung andito siya. That's me. Hi guys. So mukhang wala naman ata dito yung hinahanap natin guys. Ba tayo? Oops. Let's go guys, hanapin natin. Mahalang maniugde. Let's go. Oops. Hi guys. So ayan guys, ready na ba kayo kung ano yung reason talaga kung bakit ako nag-stay? Let's go! Reveal! Tada! My God! Wow! So ayan guys, if you know, you know. And actually, pangalawa yan. Kasi yung unang item, nakita nyo na kanina. Oh my God! Wow! Let's go, balikan natin. That's me. Hi guys. My God! Wow! Ayun guys, if you know, you know. Grabe, dito sa New Zealand, unti lang talaga yung may ganun dito. Kaya sobrang happy ako na dito ako napadpad sa place na to. So, joke lang. Kidding aside, yung pinaka-reason talaga kung bakit ako nagtagal dito is yung mga kasama ko. Oh! So, sakto, mag-anniversary na rin si Teacher Say dito. And we will be celebrating our stay dito this coming holiday. So, ayun, nakaka-excite lang kasi it's been a while since lalabas kami together. And I think for that labas, we are preparing for something big. Something big! So, ayun, let's go. I'm so excited. My God! Woo!